Visakhapatnam, starting from 11, 12, 13th April 2015 at Gadiraju Palace Beach Road, Vizag. Indexpo Vizag is our second year in Visakhapatnam. We are organizing this industrial exhibition connecting industries, suppliers for industrial and engineering products, looking into the requirement of local people, local industry, local market. This year we have dedicated our expo to CNC machines, for fiber cutting machines, laser cutting machines, engraving machines. Such types of machines are on display there. This is our second edition in Visakhapatnam. More than 50 stalls are put up coming from across the country, including Hyderabad, Vijayawada, Nagpur and other places. People are displaying their products, understanding the requirement of industry and the development coming up in Visakhapatnam. This expo will provide an opportunity for every visitor who is coming here, will find something different, something they can invest with very little money. They can start a new business. If they want to start any business, they can take the dealership, distributorship. So we have given a punchline that there is an opportunity for every visitor in this exhibition. This exhibition is also very useful for the students, particularly technical students, engineering students. They can get the exposure of the latest technology, automation, machineries, CNC machines here in this exhibition. They can find some job opportunities also with the industry displaying their products. So a lot of opportunities are there for students also, looking for startups also. Startups can join hands with these industries. They can visit the expo during 3 days. They can meet the people here. So there is an opportunity, multiple opportunities with this exhibition. The entry to exhibition is free from 11 to 6:30 p.m. Delhi. People will be able to get exposure to the latest technology, online visitor registration. So many things are there on display. People will be able to use the technology there. So you will find that there is an opportunity for everyone. So we appeal to the people of Visakhapatnam, particularly from industry, suppliers and manufacturers of industrial and engineering products, to visit the expo and take the advantage of this opportunity which we are offering in 2 years time now in Visakhapatnam. So we are organizing this expo alternate year here in Visakhapatnam. Along with we are organizing exhibitions, the same type of exhibitions in Hyderabad, Vijayawada, in this south, and other cities also like Mumbai, Indore, Raipur, Nagpur, Jamshedpur. So we have the people looking for the opportunity here in Vizag. They are ready to invest money. They are ready to offer opportunities. So people can join. People can understand the technology here. So it's an opportunity. So I request all my industrial and engineering product suppliers, manufacturers, take the advantage of this unique expo happening in Vizag. This expo is supported by Vasiva and APMSME, Chamber of Commerce and Industries, and other trade associations. So these associations, people are also coming and visiting the expo. We have also put up B2B meeting rooms where visitors can meet the exhibitors, can discuss the business.
హాయ్ వ్యూయర్స్, వైజాగ్ విజన్ ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మా ఛానల్ అందిస్తున్న జాతీయ అంతర్జాతీయ స్థాయి వార్తా విశేషాలు నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తున్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ ని క్లిక్ చేయండి.